In this video, I'll show you how to create an Instagram poll. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and open the Instagram app. Once you see the main page of your Instagram, what you will do is swipe to the left. And as you can see, this will automatically open your front camera. Now, to create a poll, all you have to do is to take a picture of yourself, or you can also swipe up and upload one from your camera roll. Once you have your picture ready, go ahead and select this icon right here at the top. It's going to be that little smiley face that you see right there. And then you're going to select from all these options, poll. At the top of your poll, go ahead and ask your question. And then where you see yes and no, you're going to select that option and you can write a different answer. Remember that to create a poll, you need to have different answers. Once you have your question and your different answers ready, you can select this option right here that you see at the top, and you can change the color of your poll if you want that. You can also move around your poll, make it bigger or smaller simply by dragging it out or in. And once your picture and your poll is ready, just simply go ahead and post it on Instagram. Now your followers can answer the question and you will also get better engagement. Hope that helped.